Hi, we are going to talk a little bit about scalars and vectors. So we have scalars, and scalars have magnitude. Let's go into what a scalar is. So let's create a person. So let's make this person here. All right, this person is going at a speed of 10 meters per second. Okay, going at a speed of 10 meters per second. So, what does that mean? It means that it has a magnitude. We have a speed. That's it. This is a scalar. Let's say this person is also 10 kilograms. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's a scalar. 10 meters per second, 10 kilograms. Okay. Let's say this arm is 1 meter long. Okay. That's a scalar. We're doing good. We got some scalars here. So we got arm length, we got a mass, we have a speed. Let's move on. Let's move on to some vectors. What's a vector? A vector has magnitude. It also has direction. Go back to our guy. Okay. We're going to name him Guy. Gui. Okay. That's Gui. Now, Gui is moving 10 meters per second. Gui is also moving 10 meters per second east. Let's say if we made a compass that's south, north, east, west, that would mean that Gui is moving 10 meters per second east. So that would be the arrow indicating that Gui is moving that direction. Okay. So Gui is moving 10 meters per second east. That is a vector. Now we have a vector going on. Okay. Let's say that because of gravity, this little platform that Gui is on broke. Gui's not happy anymore. So Gui starts falling down through that hole. South, 10 meters per second. Okay? And let's just say that's rounded up from gravity. Okay? So now we have a vector going downwards, and Gui is falling down. So Gui now has a vector because he is going 10 meters per second south. He is no longer going east. He's going straight down 10 meters per second south. Okay? Now, as Gui is going down 10 meters per second south, Gui's arm is still 1 meter long. This 1 meter arm is still a scalar. This arm did not become a vector. Okay, unless we say that the arm reached up or north. So let's have Gui down in his little cavern, right? Let's have a little image here, and Gui reached up, and it just so happens that this was 10 meters. Okay, reached up at 10 meters per second north. We now made that arm a vector. Okay, poor Gui. All right. So Gui is stuck down in the hole and he reached up at 10 meters per second. We gave direction to that. And Gui's left hand is 9 meters. It's long compared to this 1 meter. Or I meant this hole was 1 meter. I said it was 1 meter here, so I had to have 1 meter there. But this other arm is 9 meters. So I guess to put that in perspective, Gui's, that's a triangle. I don't know why I made a triangle, but Gui's arm would be off the page down there. Decided not to use his left arm to get out of the hole. Still a scalar. Didn't move the arm in any particular direction. He just kept it downwards. Okay. And a random cat was up here. And this cat was 1 kilogram. That's a scalar. But as Gui raised his hand 10 meters per second north, the cat ran off at 200 meters per second west. We now have a vector. Okay. Oops. So that's our introduction to scalars and vectors. Scalars have magnitude. Vectors, you need to have a magnitude and you have to have a direction. I hope you learned something, and I also hope you have a good day. Thank you.